In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and safety at the loading dock are essential. Introducing the LoMaster Stationary Dock Lift, your all-in-one solution for seamless ground-to-dock or truck-to-ground access. With hydraulic power and a 6,000-pound capacity, it handles heavy loads with ease. No ramps or inclines needed. Safety is built in with auto-stop tow guards, interlocking swing gates, and dual restraint chains that protect your team. While the sealed cylinders, a zinc-coated frame, and accordion safety skirt ensure long-term, weather-resistant performance. The spring-assisted lip deploys smoothly, and a factory-set lowering speed ensures safe, controlled descent. Operators stay in control with NEMA 4 water-resistant push-button station, which can be mounted to the lift. The dock lift deck surface comes in custom colors with anti-slip, rust-resistant powder coat finishes to match your facility. When not in use, it retracts flush to the ground, keeping your area clear and accessible. The LoMaster Stationary Dock Lift, where performance meets reliability. Contact Northern Dock Systems today to learn more.